Hey everybody, Dan here again with Dan's Embodied Experience. This vlog here is, I've done a few on Carter's Caves. And I'm going to piece some of them in there here. And I'm not going to do the whole Carter Caves experience one time because it'd be way long of a vlog. So I'm going to put them in there in pieces. And this particular one, we won't be going any caves on this one. We're just going to be looking at some of the outside scenery and do a couple things. We're going to look at the world's largest subway, or at one time it was deemed that. There's a sign there that even says that still. Not the actual location, but a sign pointing to the location. We're going to mostly just drive around. Get out and walk a little bit, but mostly just driving and looking at natural beauty. So let us do this. There it is. At one time that held the title for the world's largest Subway restaurant. Or at least that's what the sign down the road said. There's an upstairs there, see it? I've been here before. Background there, see what you see. World's largest Subway restaurant. I reckon because it was two-story. So anyways, we're coming down this way to look at Carter's Caves. I had to swing by and show you that. I believe that's what I'm having right there. Advertising works, guys. Haven't had lunch yet. That's ridiculous. I know I've been on the road since 8 o'clock this morning. I haven't stopped since 8 o'clock this morning in one fashion or another. I've either been moving on wheels or moving on my feet. It's time to eat. I'm thirsty. And after that crazy sign, looks like I'm having a McRib. I'll let you know what I think about it. It kind of tastes like a Salisbury steak. What? Not the Salisbury. You know what I'm saying? The Salisbury steak without the Salisbury steak sauce, some other kind of sauce. But it's not bad. I don't know if the Salisbury steak, the sauce makes it Salisbury steak. Or the patty does it, but it tastes like that patty to me. So, I don't know about the exclamation mark. But it's alright. Pretty good. I don't feel like it'd fill you up, you know, make you feel grotesquely full. Like a Big Mac would. So anyhow, I'm going to finish eating this and we're going to try to head to Carter's Caves after this. I'm in Olive Hill, Kentucky right now. I showed you guys, beside this McDonald's on the other side of it, is what was once called the world's largest Subway. I reckon because of two-story. Or was that just advertising, maybe? Because advertising does work, seems like. But anyways, I'll see you guys here in a minute. That's
in 2.8 miles, turn left onto Cape Branch.
Yeah, I heard you, lady. I wish you wasn't talking right now. Carter's Caves, there it is. There's a sign. My phone's talking to me. Tell me which way to go, so that's what you heard. Fort Falls. It's neat. That's neat. It's neat old junk. Ready? World's largest That's what we just ate at. Well, ate beside. I ate the McDonald's beside that. You did see that sign, right? That world's largest Subway. 6 miles.
In 1 mile, left onto Cape Branch.
What? Where'd you come from, lady? Look at that. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Holy moly. That's a pulled off right there. It's probably for a reason. I forgot it was this pretty down here. I don't know. I'm going. Look at that creek. Man, it's really pretty. Be nice to go walk on the trails and stuff. What's that right there? Look at that crazy rock. Look at that crazy thing. What does it say about black bears? I can't see. People's been just parking. Look at that rock. It's crazy. There's a tree right on that rock. Warning. What does it say? Park policy is caves within park. What? 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 What are you talking about? Who's ever heard of that? You can't check out caves without a permit. What? What? There's a cave right there. I want to check it out. That don't make no sense. Look at that. Wow. These rocks tear me up. They're just trees growing on the rock. Look. There's a tree just growing right on that rock right there. Had myself talked out of coming down here because I was so tired from being on the road since 8 o'clock this morning. So I've been on the road for them speed bumps. Did you hear them things? The waterfall. Man, this place is neat. I forgot how neat it was because it's been so long. Look at the bridge right there. Man. Gee whiz, look at that cave. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't recognize it.
In 3/4 mile, turn left onto Cave Road.
I'm going to check out something here. I'm going to check some stuff out. Okay. What is it outside? It's 43. That's a whole lot warmer than it was when I started this morning. It was about 20 degrees cooler than that when I started this morning, so it's okay. We're gonna check this cave out. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful view. Gee whiz, this. Listen to that water. Wow. So beautiful down here.
Proceed to the route.
I'm not, no lady. I gotta get rid of this woman, guys. These caves, look at that. Huh. Oh my gosh, it would be awesome if I could just snap my fingers and you could be down here and see what I'm seeing in real effect. Look at that back in there. Oh, we gotta walk back there. What's this? Laurel? No. Is that? I think that used to say Laurel Cave. Permit required to access cave. What the bull, man? Who's ever heard of having a permit to access a cave? What are you talking about? What does that even mean? I know what that means, but it's ridiculous. Permit required to access. I guess that's the Laurel Cave right there. Daggone it. Oh, we just walk on a bridge. What does that even mean? Access required. I know what it means, but I mean, why? I bet it's that goddamn cave right there, right? chute. Okay. Or is it that cave? I bet it's that cave. Entry prohibited from September through. What the? In Indiana, what? Bat? Entry prohibited from September through April due to. So it's the Bat Cave? Batman! Alright. I can still walk around and look at the outside of stuff then. I didn't know I guess bats do live in caves, don't they? I thought that was just on cartoons, but it must be real. I knew it was real, I guess. Man, you guys all come out here and check this place out though, but do it before September and after April. You want to get in some of these caves, it looks like. And I didn't know that permit thing was what it was, but I guess it is. Holy big old rocks. Man, I mean, this is amazing. I don't know, I might like it as well without trees as with trees. I mean, the foliage, because you can see deeper in the woods. There's just overhangs everywhere down through here. Look at that. All right, guys, if you'll be patient with me, we're going to show some cavern activity. I went on a tour, the X Tour, X Cave, I'm sorry, X Caves, at Carter's Caves. And what's funny about the time that I was getting ready to tell people we are going to make this a long vlog. Oh, they got caverns up here. 32 gigabytes is all my camera's got storage, and it tapped off on that one. But I got a good bit of the underground cave part, the X Cave, and I hope to go back to Carter's Caves here before too long and do some more cave exploring down there. And it's a beautiful place. If you get a chance to go down, you really ought to check it out. If you like that sort of nature type of beautiful things like in the nature and all that jazz. Anyways, I'm getting out of here. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for joining me, and this vlog is done.